Hello guys, my name is Edos Ubebe from the website Design Altitude, and in this segment of our video we're going to be talking about JavaScript variables. And what are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values, basically. So without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead and dive into this stuff and know what variable is all about. So here we have a clean page. I deleted the previous content we have here before. So we say variables are containers for storing data, and the syntax for writing a variable in JavaScript is this. You use the keyword var, then let's say for instance the data type we're using, okay, the variable type, the data type is integer, so I can say 5, okay, then I'll say, let me create another y equals 19, okay. Then if I say var z equals x plus y, guess what's going to happen when I say alert z. I'm not going to put it in quotes. Okay, if I put it in quotes, it will only alert z for me, and that's what I want. But if I say alert z, okay, guess what's going to come out? It's actually going to add x plus y. Okay, x plus y, that's 5 plus 19. Then to give me the value. So let me go ahead and save this and see what it is. See, 5 plus 19, that's, it allows the value, that's 24. So variables are container for storing data value. So I can say, now let's say for instance I want to use a string data type. Okay, I can say var name, say Edos name is a string, so I'll put it in quotes. Then I'll say, let me say var food, that's food. Say pasta, for instance. So what will happen when I say alert name, guess what will happen? It will actually alert my name. So let me save it. Edos. Then if I say alert food, save food, it will alert pasta. You see? So basically variables are used in storing data. So let's quickly do something better here. Okay, I want to create a form. I'll say input. Oh, it's not going to work because I'm writing it inside the script tag, so I need to write it outside the script tag. So I'll say input. Okay, I'll say text. I don't need this name, but see, I can do placeholder. I say enter text or something. Okay. Then okay, let me put a button. I'll say button. Okay, button. I'll say I'll call it alert value, for instance. But I need to give it an ID. Okay. ID, I'll say ID alert, for instance. Then let me create another paragraph and say this is text. So let's go ahead and save this and see what we have. Okay, we have enter your text here, then allowed value. So I want to create a program whereby when somebody enter any text here, anything here, and click on this allowed value, the value get displayed. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do it. I'll come back to my JavaScript tag here, then I'll say document dot get element by ID. Okay, which element am I targeting? I'm targeting the button. Alert. Then I'll say on click equals function. Okay. Then I'll say, okay, when somebody click on this button, and someone click on this button, I want it to alert the value of this input tag. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll say, I'll create a variable. It's a variable. Okay, I actually need to give this an ID too. It's a text. Okay, I'll give it an ID of text. Okay, so I'll say variable. I'll give it any name. Text enter equals blank initially. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll now say, okay, text entered equals document dot get element by ID. Then I'll say the ID I'm getting is the text. Okay, for this text dot value, because I'm getting a value to enter here. Makes sense? Then I'll say document dot get element by ID. Okay, get element by ID. I'll say text dot inner HTML equals text entered. So let's see what happens here. Oh, you know what? Before then, let me just take this off. I'll say alert text entered. So let's see what happens. Refresh. So let me see. Testing. First test. See, it alert testing for me. Testing. So we entered text here. When you click here, it's going to alert the value. So let's take for instance the enter I love programming. For instance, to alert I love programming here on the screen. So how about if I want to do it in a way that when they enter the value here and click on this alert value, this changes to what they enter here. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll take this off. I'll say okay, document dot get element by ID. Okay, what element am I getting now? I need to give this an ID. Okay, I'll say ID of some text, just any random name. Okay, some text. Some text equals, okay, some text, I'll say some text. Okay, dot inner HTML equals this text, enter. So let's go ahead and try this and see what happens. I love pasta, for instance. See, replace it with I love pasta. I hate pizza. You see, so that's what variables are used for. Okay, and we're going to be using variables a lot in this course. Okay, in this JavaScript blueprint. So that being said, my friend, I will see you in the next video.